Hello everyone, my name is Gautam Jain. I have done my Bachelor's of Technology from Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. Let's begin with the questions. This is the first question. Uh, what the question says is, from the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower is 60 degrees and the angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower. So what they are saying is if we are standing on the top of a 7-meter high building and watching towards a tower, the top of the tower is 60 meters above the horizontal and the foot of the tower is 30 degree below the horizontal line. So we have to find the height of the tower. Let us describe this in the form of a diagram. So we have a building, let's say it's denoted with B, which is 7-meter high. And we are watching a tower which is whose top of angle of elevation of the top is 60 degrees. So this is 60 degrees and of the foot it is 30 degrees. So here is in the tower. We have to find the height of the tower. This is tower and this is building. So let us join this. We are given that this is 7-meter. So because these lines are parallel, we can mark these points as A, B, and C, D. So this is like A, B, this point is C, and this point is D. Don't confuse with this building. This is building. Okay, so we know that if height of the building is 7 meters, then AB is also equal to 7 meters. These are parallel lines, sides of triangle, opposite sides of rectangle or triangle. So what is common between these things are we for now we have to find BC. So what BC is, and then the total height of the tower is AC. We can find BC with the help of the common things which we have with us. So BD is common among us, and we will find BD with the help of this AB and some trigonometric conditions which we can give lead us to BD. Then with the help of BD we will find BC. So the only thing which relates AB and BD is tan of this angle, which is given to us. So tan of 30 degrees is equal to AB divided by BD. We are working in triangle ABD. So this implies BD equals AB, which is 7 meters, divided by 1030. 1030 is 1 by root 3. So our BD is equal to 7 root 3. Now, with the help of this BD, we have to find BC so that we can find the total height of the tower. BC in our case is, we go with the same thing. Tan of 60 degrees is equals to BC divided by BD. Now we know BD, which is 7 root 3, and we know tan 60, which is root 3. So we can find BC. This implies BC equals tan 60, which is root 3, times BD, which is 7 root 3. So BC is equal to 21. 7 root 3 times root 3, 7 into 3, 21. Okay, now the height of the tower is AB plus BC, which is equal to AB is 7 plus BC is 21. So it is equal to 28 meters. Some of the places I haven't mentioned the unit, as we are working in meters all the ways. So all these units are meter, like BD is 7 root 3 meters and BC is 21 meters. So height of the tower is 28 meters. We can proceed to the next question. The question says a toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone of the base radius same as that of the hemisphere. So up till now, they are saying there is a hemisphere and there is a cone surmounted on a hemisphere. These are of same radius. It's here. Sorry. Okay, and next it says if the radius of the base of the cone is 21 centimeters, there is a condition given. There is a assumption given. This is the radius of the base. Let's say it's r. We can define the variables as r radius. I'm saying it's a radius. It is same for cone as well as hemisphere. So it's common. So it's r. And we can define h as height of cone and L as slant height of cone. Okay. Now it is saying R is 21 till now, and the volume and the if the radius of base of the cone is 21 centimeters and its volume is 2/3 of the volume of the hemisphere, calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy. It is there is a condition given. The volume of the cone is 2/3 the volume of the hemisphere. So V stands for here volume. Volume of cone is equal to 2/3 of volume of hemisphere. This condition is given to us, and also it is given that R is 21 centimeters. So these two things are given, and we have to find what we have to find is height of the cone, and the surface area of the toy. SA is surface area of toy. So we have only one condition. We will go with this condition. So it is saying volume of the cone is 2/3 volume of hemisphere. What is the volume of the cone? Volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. So it is saying 1/3 pi r square, r is 21 by the way, times h. And it is given that this is equal to 2/3 of the volume of the hemisphere. So it is 2/3. Volume of the hemisphere is 2/3 pi r cube. Now, going ahead, we can cancel out some terms which are common on both the sides. So it's like pi is common and r square and r cube is common. So r square can be solved out. We can say 3 is also common. Yeah. So h here is equal to 4/3 times r. Okay, nice. So r is 21. So h equals 4/3 times 21, which is equal to 28 centimeters. The first part of the question is what is the height of the cone? So height of the cone is 28 centimeters. The next part is what is the curved surface area of the toy? So we have to find the surface area of the toy. Now, what is the surface area of the toy? Total surface area of the toy is equal to surface area of cone plus surface area of hemisphere. HEMM means hemisphere. Try to visualize this picture. It is like a hemisphere on a cone. So we will take only the curved surface areas as which are visible to us. So the curved surface area of cone is curved surface area of cone is pi RL, and surface area for hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Now we have to find the sum of these two in order to find the total surface area of this toy. Yeah, so surface area equals pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Both are same, so we can take it common. It is pi r L plus 2r. Yeah, nice. I'm changing it to the next slide. Okay. Yeah, we can do it on the next slide as well. It is pi r and L plus 2r, which is equal to pi is 22/7. They said you can take it 22/7. then it's r, then it's l plus 2r, which is equal to, we have to find L as well. We know R, but we don't know L. So in parallel, what we can do is we can find L. Uh, if we go through the figure, we can see that the height, the radius of the base, and the slant height, they are making a right angle triangle. So here the radius is 21, height is 22, 28. So we have to find the length, slant height. So L equals under root r square plus h square, or r square plus h square equals L square. We know this. So this is equal to 21 square plus 28 square under root. If you can see this, these are in the ratio 3:4. So we have no, if we know the Pythagoras triplet, which is 3, 4, 5, this is the exact same multiplica of 3, 4, 5. We can, one way is to solve them like 441 plus 484. Sorry, it's not, it's 484, it's 784. So which is equal to 5, 2, 2, 1 under root, which is equal to 35. Slant height is 35. So coming back to here, the surface area equals 22:7 times r, which is 21, times L, which is 35, plus 2 into 21. This is 42 and this is 35. So it is 22/7 times 21 times 42 plus 35, 77. So we can cut these two at 11. It is like 2 into 21 into 11 into 11, which is 42 into 11 into 11. 42 into 11 is 462, times 11 is 2, 8, 0 and 5. So surface area is equal to 5082 centimeter square. I hope this answers your questions. Thank you so much.